Forno Appliances introduces you to the 36 inches wall mount range hood, model FRHWM5029-36. Dual utensil hangers are perfect for keeping your most frequently used tools at hand. The electronic display control with variable 4-speed function and with clock and timer is easy to use. The commercial-style canopy range hood is equipped with a powerful energy-efficient 1200 CFM, designed to capture smoke, gases, steam and grease to keep your cooking area free of unwanted odors. Bright and white LED strip light for wide illumination. Long and sturdy metal shelf which can be used as a warming rack, heated via 2 infrared bulbs to keep your food and dishes warm. Includes an extremely durable and resistant to heat stainless steel backsplash that provides an easy-to-wipe-off surface to keep your backsplash grease and mess-free. The baffle filters combination of panels and curved plates a larger surface area that causes oils in the hot air to condensate on the steel. Dishwasher-safe design allows for easy cleaning. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, a new era in cooking appliance.